guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up and use the Nectar Pollen Puncher, as well as covering a few details specific to this product. The Nectar Pollen Puncher is a rosin press machine that uses its sheer power and insane efficiency to create the best possible potent concentrate. It features a 5-ton hydraulic press, a precision temperature gauge, and you can expect an incredible yield of around 25%. So let's unbox this powerful pollen puncher. While I unbox the Nectar Pollen Puncher, let me just remind you guys that each machine comes with a 2-year warranty when you buy it here from Nectar. And we also offer 24/7 lifetime support, so if you ever need help with anything, just feel free to shoot us a message on WhatsApp. In the box, you get all the extra accessories you need to ensure the easiest and most assured pressing experience with the Nectar Pollen Puncher. So when you open the box, just make sure that you have an AC power cord, your Nectar rosin toolkit, silicone case, parchment papers. You get a whole load of parchment papers with your rosin press. And then also your filter bags and an extensive user manual, which includes lots of useful information like nectar pressing tips, so definitely check it out. Now let's put it together so we can get pressing. We want to carefully lift the Nectar Pollen Puncher out of the box and onto a large, sturdy, flat surface, as well as any other parts that come with it. Be sure to get rid of any packaging material. Now let's connect the power cable to the press and plug it into a socket, and that is about all the assembling that this product needs. It is super straightforward and easy to use. The pollen puncher features adjustable 6cm by 12cm plates and a digital controller which entails temperature and time functions, including an alarm timer to ensure a quality press. The pollen puncher weighs 16.5 kilograms, which isn't too heavy considering it can press 5 tons. You could potentially bring this impressive piece of machinery around with you wherever you may need to, as it also features this lovely handle for ease of portability. It has 600 watts of power and is able to exert 5 tons of compression force onto your chosen material. Before you start pressing, you should prepare the materials that you will be pressing. There are tips on how to best prepare your material for the optimal yield and quality in the user manual, so definitely check that out. First, ensure that the plate power connections as well as the lever are all secured in place, so that's what I'm going to do now. As mentioned before, you need to plug in the press and then flip the on-off switch, and this should light up the control panel. Before we can start pressing, we need to open the device settings mode. So to do that, you need to press and hold the set button, which is this button here. You then should see lot appear on the screen. There you go, there you can see lot. Press the up button until the number 88 is reached. This could take a while, just to let you know. Press the set button again to toggle through the device settings until you reach the CF on the screen, which is the temperature settings. There we go, so there you can see CF. And then when you're here, you can press the down button to change the device from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, whatever you prefer. Yeah, so there it's at Celsius and here it's at Fahrenheit, so I want to keep it at Celsius. Then you want to press and hold the set button to confirm that. This should then take you back to the home screen, so while you're on the home screen, press and hold the up button to reset the counter to 0000. There you go, it's all at zeros again now. Now you want to rotate the hydraulic jack anti-clockwise to open the plates if they're closed. So they're a little bit closed right now, so I'm just gonna go like that and it will be opened. We now want to set the control panel up, so to do this, press the set button to go to the temperature setting mode. Press the up or down buttons to select your desired temperature. Now this has a really good range of temperatures. It can go from anywhere from 0 to 250 degrees. So let's just go to 150. However, you can of course go to any temperature you want, anywhere from 0 to 250 degrees. This is just an example for the video. So once you've got to your desired temperature, press the set button once again to confirm it. So once you've pressed the set button again to confirm your desired temperature, it will put you onto the time settings. So then you can press up and down again until you reach your desired time. So let's just go for 50 seconds. Okay, so press and hold the set button to confirm your time settings. This is now going to start the heating process. As you can see here on the screen, it says heating. You want to wait until the plates reach your desired temperature, and you will know when they have done so as the heating icon will turn off. So as you can see, the heating icon has just gone off, which means that the plates are fully heated and ready to go. So what you're going to want to do is put your prepared plant material in your parchment paper in the center of the bottom plate. And once you have done that, you will press the pump lever until you reach your desired pressure. You can then let go of the lever as the pressure applied will be maintained. Now you want to press the red stop start timer button so that you can start your desired time countdown. It will start showing the countdown here, so now you just wait. And also don't worry about having to keep a close eye on it, as once the countdown has ended, the Nectar Pollen Puncher will start beeping. So as you can hear, it is beeping. So all you have to do to stop the alarm is just press the button again. And there you go, your press is done. Now rotate the hydraulic jack release again to release the plates. Then carefully remove the press material using a tool or heat-resistant gloves. Please be really careful not to burn yourself, as these plates will be really hot right now. You can now turn the machine off by flipping the switch and unplugging it. Be sure to wait until the plates cool down completely before cleaning or putting the press away. Before we wrap this video up, here are some tips that we thought you might like to know. The Nectar Pollen Puncher is ideal for pressing up to 14 grams of material at one time. Therefore, if you want to press more than that, then you may be better off with one of our bigger presses, like the Nectar Pollen Smasher or the Nectar Pollen Crusher, which have bigger plates. If you need any assistance, please feel free to message our WhatsApp. We hope this video helped you out and that you enjoy your Nectar Pollen Puncher. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please also don't forget to hit the bell button if you want to be notified when we drop our next video, and comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!